In bowling, moving is a huge part of the game. It allows players to drive power, accuracy, and speed. But today, I'll literally be sitting in this chair competing to see how high I can score. One game, winner take all. Against this guy. For $10,000.
Is it really? Okay. I gotta pay rent, so let's go.
All right, I've never done this before. This is like simulating the Paralympics. Like the guys that bowl in wheelchairs. I've seen it, I've never done it, so we're gonna try it. You wanna go first?
Yeah, I'll go first. Champions go first.
Let's go.
All right, so I have to sit down in the chair?
Good luck to you,
what posture I have?
Yeah, you could move the chair if you need to, but you just gotta sit in the chair.
Oh my goodness.
We're not moving. No legs, no nothing. No nuts, no butts, no coconuts.
Can I be like, there you go. Oh my goodness.
What an elegant way to sit in the chair. That's in the left gutter for sure.
Oh, I got it.
I don't think your leg hanging off is helping you.
No, but.
Do you want me to bring you your ball?
I'm just developing it. I don't do this often, but
we don't do this ever.
I do actually at my house. I practice this
Do you
all
really?
the time. Yeah.
Like in case you're ever paralyzed and you can't use your legs?
No, you never know where you can't use your legs, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I mean, I feel like this is good practice for that because, I mean,
we're gonna swing.
There's a Team USA for Paralympics, and I feel like if that ever happens, God forbid, yeah. Okay. I see where this is going. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. That's pretty good.
Look at that.
Hey, what's a good score here?
Look at that, look at that. That first one's just to fool you, boy. I'm all gas, no brakes, man.
All gas, no brakes, here we go. Can you make sure that other camera's still recording?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna latch onto the chair like this. Look, this is a good move, right?
It's recording.
Okay, cool. Oh, no.
Wow.
7, 7,
Wow.
7, 7, 7, 7, 10,
Wow.
10, 10, 10.
Wow.
I asked for 7, I got 8. Should I try to do this two-handed?
I mean,
could you imagine a two-handed wheelchair bowler?
I mean, there's probably one around.
I don't think there is.
If you are.
You can't
right
rotate. There's just no rotating. All right, guaranteed tie after this frame plants. Let's find a way.
Oh,
No,
you missed that one. Sorry.
No.
Oh.
All right, I think I need a little bit of ankle too.
Now you want to go one.
Here, let me readjust the chair for you.
Oh, thank you. That is not the way the technique goes. He put in too much. It's just at a 45 degrees, right over the last dot.
Alrighty.
All right. I get in this stance.
That's going in the left gutter too. Oh no, it might strike.
All right, I need to put it on it. Oh, I get it.
Score!
Do this all the time.
All right, what do you think the winning score is going to be?
I went into the future and in a time machine. When I came back, I had 101.
That's pretty good. You're throwing at least one spare. I don't think there's any chance we bowl 300.
Oh,
well, I mean, obviously now. Like
now
if we had to restart. Okay, but I think anything over 100 is pretty good. What is he doing? Bro, your leg is impeding your swing.
I meant to do that.
Yeah.
Wait.
It just doesn't work like that. This doesn't work. This is where I take my lead.
Hey.
Hey, I moved the chair.
Calm
You
down.
said this was too much.
Oh, look who's in the frame.
You literally just sat in it.
Is this lip chat for me?
I'm just gonna parallel for that. I'm just gonna parallel.
All right. Look at that form.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that
that's
form
not good.
in the
It's same as
gutter.
the last ring. Hey! This is gonna be impossible.
All right, so if I'm just...
Lead on the bench. Is there a more effective way to do this?
Oh, you tell me. You're the professional.
I mean, you can't work the inside, the chair's in the way.
Oh, no, you can work the inside. You have to go in between the legs of the chair.
All right.
That's working the inside there.
I want to throw one to the right, but it's a little hinge
Oh,
right
now
here.
you want to go back to one
Kind
hand.
of scares me.
Look at that swing.
Oh
you
my
missed
goodness,
that one.
why are they all left?
Oh.
I need to see the replay. I gotta see I can't feel what I'm doing. But I'm averaging 8. If I get 8 every time, that's 80.
That's 8.
Is this the kind of content people actually want to watch?
If you get 8 every time, that's 8.
I got 80, 80. You got
bowling math.
You got 0860.
Down by 2.
80, 80, 80. I'm consistent though. I just have to figure out how to get in the right spot. I don't know how I'm gonna shoot spare.
All right, all buttocks in the chair.
Lance, move your leg.
What?
That ain't helping you.
Hey,
That's the reason why you're throwing it to the left.
Hey.
I'm just trying to help. I'm sorry, no. Unsolicited advice. I know, yeah, friends don't like that apparently. Oh, that's pretty good. Hook. Nice shot.
What's that?
I said nice shot.
Thank you.
Gosh.
You know, it's just like, I know how I'm throwing it, and I know where the ball's going. So I developed a technique called the angle of the chair and the way that you're throwing the ball, and you'll hit a strike. That's what I call it.
I didn't hear anything you said. I feel like friends are open to unsolicited advice. That's just me though. I could be wrong. I think Lance has this figured out. Oh, Oh. That one might have struck. That might have struck.
Let's see.
That was pretty good.
Strike ball.
Yep. I like that. That's good. All right, good frame. I feel like 8's good.
If I get over 200, I'm like, I'm going to take a pull trout and leave.
All right. How about $100 the first guy that gets a spare after this frame?
Okay. Too bad I don't have $100.
I need to figure out how to throw it to the right. I feel like this is terrible. Bad habits. It's developing bad, maybe angling is the play.
All right. Oh, you hit your leg.
Why did I hook it?
Too bad.
I did hit the chair.
You got what, 6 legs over there? What you hit? Almost a spider.
Oh my God, I need to hit at least 1 to remain tied.
Nope.
This is hard.
If I get 8 every time, I'll be good.
This is hard. Hey, if you guys like the threads, check out epex.co. Coupon code DATA at checkout for 10% off. We gotta hang off the side. That's what we gotta do. Yeah. Oh my goodness.
If I just hit 1 pin, it's okay.
Lance took the lead on the bench.
Hey. We are competitive.
The miss is consistent. You gotta figure it out. Are these the Pumbaa sunglasses? Oh, we mow it.
Messing up the technique. There we go.
22-21 after 3.
Oh no.
That's a gutter.
No. Oh no. Oh. Donk.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how hard do you feel like this is?
It's not that hard.
You have 22 through 3.5 frames.
Hey, it's not hard to do, but it's hard.
I disagree.
Well, it's not hard. It's just difficult.
We have a combined total of 6 zeros.
It's just difficult, okay?
You said it's not hard, it's difficult. It's
hard
the same thing.
Or not the same.
I'm gonna save some time. I'm gonna start wiping my ball. I don't know what this man's talking about. This is difficult. I'd be very happy with 100. Oh no. That was almost $100. Almost $100. First mark, $100.
If you foul, then that'll be pretty bad, right?
Wait, hang on.
Look at trying my technique. Oh. The amateur showing the professional or something. Whew. Look at you using my technique. How you like it?
I'm scrapping for that 100. I got $100 in my wallet.
Hey, but
you got $100 in your wallet?
I have Venmo. Shout out to.
All right. I need this. This is big. $100 right here. Scrap that. No free ads.
Okay.
All right. It doesn't have to go fast. It just has to hit the pin.
Oh man, he's going first spare pickup. Nah. Look at that. Nice technique. Oh no. Oh no. Oh.
No shot! How did that not cut a little bit?
Oh, Mr. Darren Tang can't pick up stairs now.
Oh, that makes me upset. I'm not really upset, but man, I'm learning though. I'm learning. Would have thought I'm losing to Lance. Oh. Hey, that was good. That was pretty good.
I mean, I'm getting pretty close, man.
That's pretty good.
I'm getting pretty close. What can I say? So it's not hard. It's not hard. It's just difficult trying to find. That's what it is. Not hard.
It's not hard. It's just difficult. We find all these things to put on a shirt. This is Lance. Welcome to Lance.
Oh.
It just looks so ridiculous. Oh my goodness.
No.
All right, I'm gonna use your same seating position.
I just set you up, man.
I watch, I learn.
I set you up for success.
I feel like I'm gonna hit the leg of the chair every time. Look at that form.
Back straight, arm tight. Oh, you hit your leg.
I gotta run it out. I gotta run it out.
No.
$100, yes! Boom! Thanks, pal.
Let me match it.
I mean, I did it in the same frame. That was electric. Oh, the feeling of that. It was almost like curing an iron. No, it wasn't. It's got to hook a little.
Oh.
The look of despair.
I'm gonna sit here for a second and let that process.
Yeah, I'll bring your ball. I would have brought your ball to you.
Oh, no. No need for that.
You got gutter 9, gutter.
But gutter 9.
You gotta get gutter 9.
Gutter 9.
Gutter 9.
Gutter 9.
You have 40 in the 5th frame. You're on pace to bowl 80. If I could double up here. Ooh. Uh-oh. Double G banger.
Getting something.
Hey, good try.
Hey.
Good try.
Hey.
Legitimately a good try. Can we throw a double here?
I love the technique. Where
you gotta wrap it around.
I like the technique. Where you get it from? Oh, no, no, no.
Go hard. Don't hook. Go hard. You want to try? This is difficult.
Yeah, oh, see? It's difficult, not hard. Hard
I think difficult and hard. Hard is a version
hard
of
is something that's...
What difficulty? It's a difficulty.
Something that is hard. Oh, no, you can't use hard in it. Something that's tough to do, but you can still do it.
Difficult, it's hard.
That's going curve, that's going curve. Oh, you hear that? You double tap that one pin. That's all you get. That is all
That was a really good second shot though. 56 in the 6th frame. We're not pacing 100. We need another spare somewhere. I'm pretty locked in though. Just gotta let it fly. Oh, that's 10. Butter off the hand. Butter. Buttery. Nice. Nice.
Darren Tang.
Nice. All right, 8's a good frame, I think. I think 8's a good frame.
Oh, who's up now? Who got the lead now, boy?
Gotta hook, get the hook. Gotta hang on the side. We gotta get some shoulder tilt here.
Come on, you got it.
Oh, no.
That's going in the gutter. Wow. Give him a nice little.
No inside out.
He's trying not to hit one of his legs, you know what I'm saying? It's okay, man. It's okay. Pick it up, man. That's why bowling, you get 2 chances to knock down 10 pins.
Yeah, but the score doesn't count for the same.
Good point. But if I get 8 every time, I'll win.
This is bad. I mean, I'm still willing to bet you're not gonna break 80. I don't even know if I'm gonna break 80. Gotta like hang off the chair.
Oh, that's gonna go right into the gutter.
Sit.
No.
Sit.
No. Okay.
8's good.
All right.
8's good. 8's a good score. Come on.
I'm out.
64 to 57. Lance has 47 in the 6th frame.
Yes, I do.
We are now entering the 7th frame. Oh, actually, no, this is bad. Lance is giving me the business now. This is the only way Lance can beat me at bowling.
What?
It's the only way you can beat me.
Of course, you said my name in the middle of my approach. Let me get back to my routine.
Okay. All right, buddy. It's the first time I've ever seen him do that.
Oh, gosh.
Oh. It's on a strike. It's okay. It's on a strike.
I messed up my steps.
But you're not even moving.
He's not even moving. Okay, come on, spare.
He's not even moving.
He's not even moving.
Oh, not bad. Hit pins. Oh, that's big. That's a lot of pins.
So close.
All right, 73. I need 9 to match him. 10.
Uh-oh.
No, we gotta try
get
to
more
shoot.
than 8.
We need to shoot 100. 100 is the goal.
Oh.
No,
Just
7.
wow.
It's not good.
It's okay.
There's a part of the lane we haven't even touched. It's like from 15 down lane to 1. We have not touched any boards down there.
Well, we're gonna touch them all now.
Oh no, come on.
Let me just go ahead and
Clutch up here. What if we had a little loft? Keep it on line a little longer. All right. Yeah!
Oh, that's too much back.
Oh, that might be good.
Go over. Oh.
No! Come on!
Yes.
It's so hard to throw it to the right.
Oh, it's not that hard.
It's so hard.
It's difficult, but it's not hard.
It's the same thing. It is the same thing. Oh my goodness. I need a spare and 9 to shoot 100. That is a tall order. You weren't even sitting in the chair.
I was.
Yeah, you were like.
I was in a seated position.
The referee called it. You were out of the seat.
I was in a seated position.
Disqualified.
I was in a seated
0 for the frame.
So we have to keep our buttocks
She
in the
said
seat.
both cheeks need to be on the chair. If that's the case,
Both
I don't think I'm in play either. I think I've had a cheek and a
Is that
half.
good enough for you?
What are you throwing? This two-handed? Oh,
I was about to, but I don't want you to say, oh, you gotta use all your holes.
that's technically 0, but this is YouTube.
So,
This is not a USB-C sanctioned match.
you said you want to see me bowl two-handed.
I'd be ecstatic with 9 here.
Let's go back to one hand.
I need to see what I'm doing because I think I can make an adjustment if I can see. The feel versus real thing, it's tough.
No. Oh, dang it.
I might do it, guys. I might do it. I need 9. minimum 9. The slight movement of the chair gets me good. Curve. It's pretty good. It's not bad. Could be better. Could be worse.
See, this look is a look of disappointment.
You need a spare to have a chance for 100. Actually, if you spare strike here, it forces me to mark. That'd be crazy if he actually does it. Oh. Oh. I feel like we needed a camera all the way down the lane just to,
Yes, we did.
I don't know how we would have done that though.
We didn't put a drone in here.
Oh man, that was A1 steak sauce. Just get 9 in the next 2 shots. I don't think he's throwing a strike here.
Oh no. Oh.
I feel pretty confident. What do I need? 5? 5. I need 5. But I want to bowl 100. I can bowl 130.
Man.
Good game.
I let you win.
All right, don't get overconfident. Come on. Let's get it done right here.
For nothing.
Let's get it done right here. Right here, right now.
Oh. Oh my goodness. Wow. What are the chances of that happening?
I was trying to work the inside and
You worked the inside, all right?
Oh my God, this is so...
Hey, try to work the inside again,
Oh
Lee.
gosh, oh my gosh. No, you still gotta stay locked in.
Hey,
Come on.
Don't do this. Don't do it.
Hang
don't
off the
do
chair
it.
a little more.
Give the people what they want.
What do the people want?
The pressure. Work the inside. No, yes, I got you. I beat you.
Five. No!
Hey, it's okay, man. Good job. Oh, yes, no brakes. The king of chair bowling. Come to me. You want a chair
So
bowling?
sad. The heavy shook. I hit the leg of the chair.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay to lose me. Yeah. I thought I lost that one.
We bowled without moving. We kind of moved. We did move the chair.
Yes, we did.
That is very hard. That's very difficult.
There we
Shout
go.
out to all the wheelchair bowlers out there. That's tough.
That's tough.
Yeah.
If you can show us that.
Throwing a bowling ball, being able to use your legs is definitely underappreciated.
Underappreciated.
Congratulations on your win.
Thank you so much.
And your $10,000.
Yes.
Or your $9,900.
Yes, I have to owe you, dog. That's right, that's right. But hey, guys.
If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you check out Lance on Instagram. Lance
Jackson.
Or DJ Flex City. I don't know if you still use that.
I was trying to get back into it. I will see what happens. Well,
Anyways, yeah, if you guys made it this far in the video, I'd appreciate it if you like, comment, and subscribe on the video.
I didn't shave.
If you guys want to see more ridiculous things like this, let me know in the comment section down below, and we'll see you next time.
Yo, Timon.